Hello everyone and welcome to the Victory Forge. For this video I made myself a TIE Defender destroying a rebel tank. I found this model on Thingiverse and I will post the link in the description below, and I printed this using my FlashForge Inventor 3D printer and Hatchbox 1.75mm PLA filament. After printing, I sanded and assembled the pieces and gave them a gray base coat and finished the detail work with black acrylic. With the TIE Defender finished, I next painted the Rebel Alliance logo on this Micro Machines tank I found, and then I was ready to move on to the base. I first cut and glued some foam to my wood base, then I sketched out a rough estimation of where this road, some grass, some rocks, and some other landscape would be. My next step was to cover the entire thing with this mixture of brown paint and Mod Podge. The Mod Podge helps protect the foam and makes it more sturdy, and it is also a glue to help me add the terrain, starting with mocking up the shape of the road using my sand. After putting down the sand for the road, I used my static grass applicator to add some fields on either side of the road, and then added some rocks to help further mark where the road is. And the final step for the terrain is to add some trees and hedges where my rebel tank will be emerging from the forest. And now that the stage is set, it's time for the TIE Defender Elite to square off against the forces of the Rebel Alliance. And that's going to wrap everything up for us here on this episode. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on the Victory Forge.